when you get this best-selling book for free. Here are a few of the secrets you'll discover. Inside of DotCom Secrets, I will be sharing with you secrets to help you use funnels to grow your company. Here's a sneak peek at what you'll discover inside of your free copy of this new book. Here's what you will learn in section number 1, Sales Funnel Secrets. Secret number 1, the 4 questions to attract your dream customers to you, the ones that make you want to jump out of bed each morning to work with them, while repelling the ones that don't excite you. Secret number 2, the key to creating so much intrigue and value before you even mention your product, that your customers raise their hand and practically beg you to sell it to them, regardless of the price. Secret number 3, how to guide customers from your low-cost products into a high-end package that offers such deep, life-changing transformation, they can't stop thanking you for the results they're getting. Secret number 4, the 5 identities to getting your dream customers to seek you out, instead of you chasing them down. And get them to not only like you, but rally behind you and the movement you've been called to lead. Secret number 5, why being a pioneer in your industry is the worst possible way to start. And how you can skip the years of setbacks or learning curves, and start with what is working in the market right now. Secret number 6, the 7 phases that you must include in every funnel to create a powerful experience for your customers, and keep them moving through your sales process. Secret number 7, the key to reaching your audience as much as you want, whenever you want, and generating as much as 80% of your potential sales, even after your visitors have left your funnel. To look more, go to www.best.comsecrets.com. Again, that's www.best.comsecrets.com.